Mensaka nyame nipa. No. Or your voice for a particular generation. Now, the I me doubt about him, no cry. Also, a Jesus addict. Now, I say, chai, hi, my anima cat on school to Babascata. Hey, or Rams in the room. I was going to go out and hope on for TV. Hey, Bray, brother.
I would tell.
Where am Papa?
Pachami.
I can be said, show me better. I'm like, show me better. Dear Goomers, Aquaba.
That's it.
Get anymore. We're a family, but so be sure they dikaya.
Yeah.
I can't say introduce yourself in a minute. Who are you?
Okay, auntie. Me the David Bethel. And me a Christian in particular. And the idea I'm a Mijana is more of me Christian music. Me too Adom sorry. Me and the Bible say yembo the runa sempana. To me, one of the ways I may and yum to. I think they're no be enough for now.
Sanya we mo ya no why say I din me Christian be man Mike man Mike was sorry do be nu bra what should I din this about what on if I could make a class and at was way Bethel squad show we make a fista kakra me Philly voice na me Philly voice na yeah
okay I do me this that was your Yankopon that was your that was you, I be a my. That was you,
I'm a kind of praise this. I'm Tonyo Bass, I found baby as a qua baby.
Oh, there's all the good baby. And
I'm the journalist. Me too firm kakra. Now you made no say a friend is saying
100 minutes of hymns. Yeah, 100 minutes.
100 minutes.
Yeah.
That's 60. That's 800 minutes.
1 hour 40 minutes.
What do you to make a wow? Hymns in Kwa.
But hymns never meaning.
Okay.
And say, okay, Bible now. We share Ephesians 5:18.
Good.
Paul said, "Do not be drunk with wine." I know the best say, okay, 19. I say, be filled with the Spirit. You know, singing with each other in psalms and hymns and spiritual songs. Okay. The hymns never know. The meaning of that hymn, like songs that a change and suba and any numa. And technically, it's not just the hymnals, but okay, about worshiper. I say you may change and coupon suba or your cron or your kese, say, and any numa, his deliverance. Sorry. That's beautiful. Into maybe a chomukan, then a friend worship no sorry, and you make it that time now. Be a friend hymnals and I say psalms. And there's some meaning,
wow.
And they are too.
Wow, indeed, you are Jesus addict. Because I know where you quotations about so can do not be drinking wine or when him but yes, do not be drinking wine. Be drinking, I may ask him hymns. We'll be just so hallelujah. I found 18 who's a squad group, so my whole for grace, my home coffee prepare. Only you can do, do some other people.
Yeah, TMC music.
Okay.
Manuel Bless, very
nice. Okay. Oasis House, Trinity Baptist. Opposite UPSA.
Yeah.
I say, you're a
David.
I think so. What I'm or you give to choir stories and wow. Oh, you're a UPSA. Fashion go map cry say UPSA signature queen.
Exactly.
Fair. Over this guy crowd.
Oh, David.
Hey, who young am
and I mean, me feel say, and so Sikaye, I consider more be a person better.
Wow. Wow.
Maybe I know be person but maybe 200 cities, 300 cities.
Nice in quite.
Now,
yeah, oh.
Instead of no. Or more be almost I will be near the best almost so you made in a sense. That one is better.
Yes,
so that be exactly. So you be a movie.
We
just we take it to be
okay. That's beautiful. That CP. To Baba number be na obi person offer for further information be na wa frɛ wa.
Okay. Yeah, sure. It's 0245 006271. 0245 006271.
Thank you.
And social media platforms, maybe David Bethel. You want you be so abundant.
Maybe oh, me kwa me bebo ba ko kra mo sa me bebo ba ko amo yeah that's so by what say him actually sorry dey easy o na organizing a show is something say me ba bre o man nkwada o na ye hia o
this the next time so catch
me na da bra him actually dey be say ya dey sorry na fra wate ya me nka ho na dwumade no embra sa o I guess you
be can it
oh yeah backstage o ka so onwum bebre ho no yentie na nwum nim ba ko ye ba ya to aso say me catch her say bra no gina di ni say weather no na fam no wo dey o ye we ko hia no dwumade na say you are not missing pastor final words to obi o hwe obi a
yeah I mean me say obi atia say Christianity is real, God is real, heaven is real, hell is real. And obi andada and obi andada and lastly and especially for the events okay Tembia Obinya Konya say Obe sorry nyame no I have been taken for granted.
Good.
You see I ebi mo ha ebi America I mean God forbid maybe our yare cancer bi na nyame sa na yare a oba sorry a the way obi see sorry nyame ehuri asan because say Yankopon asa na yare but omo a Yankopon abo ho ban se na be ya sa cancer na yare mpo no omo nya bi no omo aya na yare fi say one koton so hin pon nyame you and that is the perfect gift. That's the biggest life. The biggest of all. And see, any opportunity to thank God, no, you just have to thank Him because baby, any day you knew So I just want to invite everybody. April 13th, just Ochinechia Sunday, Oasis House Trinity Baptist Church. Na yen sorry, nyame
that's a bride. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you.
It's David Bethel. Near no church in common. Yen san share. Nenyom kakra ya ba. Komo edi echire media to aso.